Welcome to session number 4 of chapter 2, fractions and decimals. In the last session we have solved exercise 2.2 and today we are going to learn multiplication of fractions. So let's start. Here multiplication of fractions. Normally we multiplied, for example, 2 into 3. Here 2 into 3 is 6. 5 into 4 equal to 20. This is the simple multiplication. But now we have to learn multiplication of fractions. So our first topic is multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. Here whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. And the fraction. For example, 1 into 2 upon 3. Here 1 whole number and 2 upon 3 is fraction. So we multiply that 1 into 2. Here we write 1 into 2 upon 3. Here 1 into 2 is 2 upon 3. We have two circles. This circle represent 1 upon 4 and this circle is represent 1 upon 4. Now how much will the two shaded part represent together? अगर हम दोनों पार्ट्स को एक साथ लिखें तो किसको रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे? So we can add this 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 into 2 into 1 upon 4. We can write as this. How? For example, 2 into 3. 2 into 3 means 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2 कितने टाइम? 3 टाइम. So 2 into 3 is 6 and 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6. So 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 we can write as 2 into 1 upon 4 equal to 2 into 1 2 upon 4. So if we add these portions 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 4 we get 2 upon 4. This portion represent 1 upon 4 and this one 1 upon 4 and this one 1 upon 4. Here 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 कितने टाइम है? 3 टाइम. So we can write as 3 into 1 upon 4. That means 3 upon 4. So we get 3 upon 4. In this example, here total circles are 9 and the fraction of shaded portion 2 upon 9 plus this one 2 upon 9 plus this one 2 upon 9. Here 2 upon 9 कितने टाइम है? 3 टाइम. So 9 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6 upon 9 or 2 upon 9 3 times. So we can write as 3 into 2 upon 9. 3 into 2 is 6 upon 9. So both are same. होल नंबर को फ्रैक्शन से कैसे मल्टीप्लाई करना है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल 7 into 3 upon 4. Here 7 is whole number and 3 upon 4 is a fraction. So whole number को फ्रैक्शन के न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. तो 7 into 3 upon डिनोमिनेटर इक्वल टू 7 into 3 21 upon 4. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2 into 3 upon 4 into 1 upon 3. Here whole number, fraction and multiply. So whole number 3 upon 4 numerator is 3 and 1 upon 3 में 1 and denominators are 4 into 3. 2 into 3 6 and 4 into 3 12. We can simplify. 6 से divisible है 6 से 1 time and 2 times. So वो we can write as 1 upon 2. So multiplication of fraction by a whole number is whole number into numerator divided by denominator. Now next is fraction as an operator of. Normally we use the 5/2 of 10. We can write as 5/2 of 10. So what is the meaning of of? Of का meaning multiply. So we can write as 5/2 of means multiply 10. So 5/2 of is 5/2 into 10. Here 10 is whole number and 5/2 is fraction. So whole number into numerator of fraction. So numerator is 5 upon denominator. So 10 into 5 is 50/2 equal to 50/2 is 25. For another example, 1/5 of 100. That means here of means multiply. So we can write as 1/5 into 100. 1 into 100, 100/5. 100/5 is 20. So the meaning of is multiply or into. So we say that of represents multiplication. मीन जहाँ भी ऑफ होगा उसका मीनिंग क्या होगा? मल्टीप्लीकेशन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1/2 ऑफ 10, 1/3 ऑफ 9, 1/6 ऑफ 100. सो ऑफ मीन्स मल्टीप्लीकेशन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1 and 1/4 of 10. Here 1 and 1/4 is fraction. Which fraction? Mixed fraction. So we can simplify 4 into 1, 4 plus 1. So 5/4 of 10. And the meaning of 5/4 of means into. So 5 into 10, 50/4. 50 and 4 divided by 2. So 25/2. Let's see some examples of multiplication of fractions. We have 4/5 into 3. Here 4/5 is a fraction and 3 is whole number. So we multiply whole number and numerator of fraction. So 3 into 4/5. 3/4 is 12/5. 12 and 5. 5 is a prime number. So we cannot divide 12 and 5 with same number. Now 1 and 1/3. Here 1 and 1/3 is mixed fraction. So we have to convert it into simple fraction. 3 into 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So 4/3 into 9. Now fraction into whole number. So whole number into numerator. So 4 into 9/3. 4 into 9, 36/3. So 36 divided by 3 is 12. Now 7 and 2/3. 7 into 3, 21. 21 plus 2, 23/3 into 36. We can multiply it. So 23 into 36/3. 12 into 23 is 12 into 3, 36. And 12 into 2, 24 plus 3, 27. Now 3/2 of 7. Of means multiply. So we can write as 3/2 into 7 equal to 3 into 7 is 21/2. 1 and 2/3 of 12. So 3 into 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5/2 into of means multiplication into 12. Now 5 into 12/2. We can simplify to 6 times 6 into 5 30. Now 2 into 3 into 2 6. 6 plus 2 8 upon 3. Now 2 into 8 upon 3. 2 into 8 16 upon 3. Here 9 into 5 into 5 25 plus 1, so 26 upon 5 equal to 9 into 6 54. 9 into 2 18 plus 5 23 upon 5. Here 9 upon 2 of 10, so 9 upon 2 into of means into 10, so 9 into 10 upon 2. 2 say 5 times, so 9 into 5 is 45. Here 4 into 1 4 plus 3 7 upon 4 into 50, so 7 into 50 upon 4. 2 say 2 times 50 say 25, and 7 into 25 7 into 5 35. 7 into 2 14 plus 3 17 upon 2. Now 1 upon 10 of 1000, so 1 upon 10 of means into 1000 equal to 1 into 1000 upon 10 equal to 0 0, so 100. So that's all for today's session. Today we have learned multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. In the next session we will start exercise 2.3. Thank you and have a good day.